Hello and welcome to another video. This is Mohammed Bakri from Community of Babel, and today we are going to study the future tense in Egyptian dialect. It's very easy and very simple if you're familiar with the present tense verb conjugation in Egyptian dialect, and I will put the link for our previous video for the present tense verb conjugation at the end of this video. So let's start. It's just putting the prefix ha before the verb in the present tense. So for example, أنا هروح المكتبة. هروح is the verb to go in Egyptian dialect. يروح. أنا أروح. So it's أنا هروح. We just added the ha. هروح المكتبة. I will go to the library. مكتبة means library. أنا هروح المكتبة. I will go to the library. The verb أروح doesn't need a preposition. It's not like English. So the second sentence here is أنا هعمل شاي دلوقتي. شاي means tea. هعمل يعمل it's to make. So هعمل I will make tea. دلوقتي means now. دلوقتي I will make tea now. أنا هعمل شاي دلوقتي. And please note that in Egyptian dialect and same as in standard Arabic, the future is to describe an event that will happen even after 1 minute in the future. So if the event has not happened yet and it will happen even after a few seconds, we use the future tense. So here أنا هعمل شاي دلوقتي. So the translation can be I will make tea now or I am making tea now. Okay, the last one is a question. هتيجي. Of course, تيجي is conjugated with you. It means you come. So هتيجي, you will come. معانا, with us. السينما. Okay, السينما here, السينما has two meanings. It means cinema and it means movie theater. Okay, so will you come with us to the movie theater? هتيجي معانا السينما. So this is the future tense in Egyptian dialect, just adding the prefix ha before the present tense verb. So I hope this video has been useful to you, and if you like our channel, you can subscribe to our channel and you can visit our website for more lessons. And thank you for watching.